Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the latest iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open Safari or any browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Apple Developer and open the official Apple Developer website. Once you're there, tap on Sign In the top right corner. Now enter the email address linked to your Apple ID, type your password, and sign in. If you're asked for a verification code, simply enter the code sent to your trusted Apple device. After signing in, close the browser and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on General, then select Software Update. Here, tap on Beta Updates at the top and choose iOS 27 Developer Beta from the list. Once you've selected it, go back to the Software Update screen and tap Update Now. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode to continue. Your iPhone will now start downloading and installing the iOS 27 beta update. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. After the installation is complete, unlock your iPhone, follow the on-screen setup instructions, and tap Continue to finish the process. And that's it. You've successfully installed iOS 27 on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.